Hey Tool Talk, I've got another video for you today. It is a quick fix for a vehicle of any kind. It can be a Jeep. This happens to be a Jeep. And what it is the if you have a slow leak in a tire, rather than pulling off to the side of the road, endangering yourself or your family, you can have this kit in your car, and it's a small tire repair kit. I think a lot of people are afraid to try to do these little repairs because they do take quite a bit of pressure to get them installed and get them correct. But just like anything else I teach you on Tool Talk, I think you can do it yourself. So stay tuned. I'd really like to get you guys some information on how to repair your tire. So it wasn't even big, huh?
Let me double check if it
Oh, that's a little thing too. That's why it's losing air so slow. No, that's a tiny little screw. Yeah.
oh yeah, it's a little, very little leak.
Yeah, I can see the little bubbles.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's slow. Got us here.
Yeah, it's still coming out. Alright. Oh, it did go in. It's like barely in there.
So what in the hole there is now?
Well, that was a big hole now. So you gotta we gotta fit this plug in there. This one helps sticky.
Yeah, I had it's nice to have these, like in my Gladiator, if I'm off road, like I have the, you buy the toolkit, it has the T-handle and
everything.
And it has everything you need. But if you're just in town, it's just nice to kind of come over here and have you do it and have a second set of eyes on it.
Alright, I want to get down and dirty with this one.
That's alright.
What was it? 36 you wanted?
So as you can see, this repair was really quick. It's really inexpensive. A tire shop can do this, but why not spend the extra few dollars to have this in the back of your vehicle and throw it in your kit, throw it in your recovery gear. If you have a small screw or small hole in your tire, you're just gonna ream that out with the reaming tool, and then you'll create that little bit of area to stick the plug in. The plug will then, with cement, seal that area up, and then you won't even have to worry about it. It is a permanent repair. So I think this is just something that you need to have in your toolkit, and I thought this was a great time to go ahead and talk about it since we actually had it happen. And I hope you found this informative, and if you guys liked it, click like and subscribe, and please leave a comment, and maybe you can share your experience in one of the situations where this really would have came in handy, either on the trail or just on everyday driving.